Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change the clock on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put likes, write comments. And let's get started. So, if let's say, you're not satisfied with the appearance of the clock on the lock screen, you want to change it. Then unlock your phone, after which on the left side, swipe down with your finger. Now, tap the picture to go to these kinds of settings. Then at the bottom, you press this button. And you get 2 pages of themes. These are the work page, the work screen, and the lock screen. If you want to change the appearance of the clock, then click on the lock screen, then click on the clock. And here you can change, for example, the font, how it looks. After that, you can also change the thickness or the boldness of how your watch will look. And now you can also change, for example, the color. As you can see, the color changes not only on the watch, but also on the date. If you click on the color, you can also make them brighter or more muted. After that, in order to save the changes, you click on the cross and then you click Done. And now you're done. If you turn your phone off and on, you will see that we now have a change in the appearance of the clock on the lock screen. This is the simple way you can change the clock on your iPhone. I hope this video and this information was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, be sure to write comments, and see you soon.